Hello, guys. Today I'm gonna teach you how to get the ghost engine, but I can't do the scrap engine tutorial because it's like scrap job. By the way, the scrap engine is located at the coal mine, so bring it to the scrap yard next to the main station. But I think it's easy. By the way, let me teach you about the ghost engine, cause it's little bit hard I guess. First, teleport to Slate Quarry. Second, pick a engine. Then talk to this girl.
Hello.
What are you doing out here?
Workers left the truck in the old mine shaft. Could you go and get it for us and bring it back here?
Yes.
Thank you. Remember to take the drill car with you.
Go to the mines. And go this way. I hope this won't happen again. And go here. Click this button. And go back to outside. And there you have it.